In this Insta-minute review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this app. If you have any questions, please comment them below, and I'll also leave a discounted link so you can always get your money's worth for Insta-minutes. Insta-minutes lets you summarize and analyze meetings with an AI assistant. Once we log into Insta-minutes, we come over here to the dashboard. The first step is linking up your calendar. So as my emails with Outlook, I've just linked it up with there, and then any meetings you have will be shown here. So as we can see, we've got an upcoming meeting for myself, we have an Insights tab, and we also have New Notes. And then next to there, we also have In Progress. So on New Notes, if I click on the first note, this is an example note that says free English lesson with my online student. It's got our insights down here, so the meeting duration, meeting words, 7 questions found, the duration in minutes, keywords, the engagement rate, and the productivity rate. If we click on play here.
Let's go. Rena, do you want to start reading first? Yeah.
Okay, so as I can see, it's recorded that English lesson as well, so we can always listen back to it. Next to the insights, we have Instanotes. This is where the AI note taker is actually taking notes throughout the meeting. And as we can see here on the Instanotes, we can listen to key highlights. So we could listen to Max.
Sources. Countless.
That we have many different sources.
We also have next to that a full transcription. So you can listen to it part by part when Linda speaks.
In the net, and we can find a variety of places.
As we can see, we've got the text next to each soundbite, and this obviously goes through the whole meeting. You also have the option of filtering this, so you could filter it by just Linda or just Max. So if there was 2 people on your meeting, you could choose who you wanted to filter it by. There's also the options to share the note, map the speaker, or delete the meeting. To use Insta-minutes in your meetings, you just need to click on Add to Chrome, and you can install this here as a Chrome extension. Under Dashboard, we have Instanotes. Again, that just takes us to the section we were at before, where we've got the example note, which is the free English lesson. Below there, we have channels, where we can add a new channel. So it's got general, daily stand-up, brainstorming. I could do work, click on enter, and that should create a new channel, although it doesn't seem to be working there. This may be a feature that needs to just be looked into. Below channels, we have meetings. Here, this brings up a full calendar view. Obviously, this will depend on what email you connect up. As I said earlier, I've done Outlook, and I've only got one scheduled meeting, as we can see here, and that's from 1 PM till 2 PM, if I just click onto it, and it's got all the information regarding that meeting. If you had multiple meetings in your calendar, obviously you could search for them at the top, so you could find exactly what you're looking for. Below meetings, we have integrations. Here is where you can integrate Google Calendar, Slack integration, Outlook, and HubSpot. And coming soon, you'll be able to integrate Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, WebEx, Skype, BlueJeans, and many more. We then have a settings tab, which has your personal settings and workspace settings. Personal settings is just your general settings, and with workspace settings, you could add other members of your team to this space. And that's just about everything. So what did I think of Insta-minutes? Well, Insta-minutes was really straightforward to use. I love how it had a Google Chrome extension, and that the Instanote feature could record key elements from a meeting. It also makes it very easy to actually manage your meetings. I did have a small issue with adding a new channel name. However, overall, I would definitely recommend Insta-minutes. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.